Greetings, travel enthusiasts. Today, we immerse ourselves in the stunning vistas that the Himalayan gem Nepal has to offer. Nestled in the heart of Asia, between the towering peaks of China and the sprawling plains of India, lies Nepal, a country of contrasts. Its diverse topography, ranging from the icy Himalayan heights to the warm Terai lowlands, creates an array of breathtaking landscapes that are a feast for the eyes. But Nepal's beauty isn't just skin-deep. The country's rich cultural heritage, a tapestry woven from the threads of numerous ethnicities and traditions, adds an extra layer of charm to its scenic appeal. From the snow-capped peaks that pierce the clouds to the lush green valleys cradled between majestic mountains, from the vibrant cityscapes echoing with historical tales to the serene wilderness that sings the song of nature, every corner of Nepal is a canvas painted with the brush of beauty. So buckle up as we embark on this mesmerizing journey exploring the best scenery in Nepal. As we delve into Nepal's scenic marvels, the first stop is, of course, the majestic Himalayas. These towering peaks are not just a geographical wonder, but a symbol of the country's soul and the spirit of its people. The Himalayas stretch across 5 countries, but it's in Nepal where they truly come alive, boasting 8 of the world's 10 highest peaks, including the formidable Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. The sight of these silver giants piercing the azure sky is nothing short of ethereal. Their stark beauty, bathed in the soft morning sun or shrouded in the eerie twilight, evokes a sense of awe and reverence. It's not just the peaks that are breathtaking, but the valleys too, cradling emerald green pastures, glacial rivers, and quaint little villages, each with a story to tell. For those with an adventurous spirit, the Himalayas are a paradise. The region offers a plethora of trekking trails, each more exciting than the last. From the famous Everest Base Camp and Annapurna Circuit treks to the lesser-known but equally enchanting Manaslu and Langtang treks, there's a trail for every adventurer. And it's not just about the physical challenge, it's about the journey, the camaraderie, and the unforgettable memories that you forge along the way. Yet the Himalayas are not just about the mountains and the adventures they offer. They're also home to the Sherpa people, the guardians of the mountains. With a unique culture steeped in Tibetan Buddhism and a lifestyle intricately entwined with the mountains, the Sherpas are an integral part of the Himalayan experience. Their warm hospitality, resilience, and indomitable spirit are as inspiring as the mountains they call home. The Himalayas, truly a testament to nature's grandeur, isn't it? A beautiful blend of awe-inspiring landscapes, thrilling adventures, and rich cultural experiences. The Himalayas in Nepal offer a unique slice of paradise that captivates and enchants every visitor. So join us as we continue our journey through this stunning country, exploring more of its scenic marvels and cultural treasures. Leaving the snow-capped peaks behind, we descend into the enchanting Pokhara Valley. As if plucked straight from a mystic fairy tale, Pokhara is a place where natural beauty effortlessly blends with cultural richness. In the heart of this valley lies the serene Phiwa Lake, a body of water that mirrors the tranquil sky above and the majestic Annapurna Range just beyond. As the sun sets, the lake transforms into a palette of pastels, reflecting shades of twilight that fill the heart with awe. A leisurely boat ride on Phiwa Lake is an experience that soothes the soul, as the gentle lapping of the water against the oar creates a melody that resonates with the peaceful atmosphere. A stone's throw away we find another gem, the Begnis Lake. Nestled amidst lush green hills, it's a mystic retreat for those seeking solitude. The calm waters of Begnis Lake, often adorned with local fisherfolk in their small, rustic boats, paint a picture of simple, unspoiled beauty. But Pokhara is not just about peace and tranquility. For those with an adventurous spirit, the valley offers a different kind of thrill. The panoramic views from Sarangkot are the launchpad for paragliding experiences that let you soar like a bird, with the entire valley unfolding beneath you. The wind in your hair, the sun on your face, and the adrenaline rushing through your veins as you glide over the valley is an experience that words often fail to encapsulate. Whether you're gently rowing across Phiwa Lake, soaking in the serenity of Begnas, or soaring through the skies from Sarangkot, the Pokhara Valley offers a multitude of experiences. It's a place where adventure meets tranquility, where the rush of adrenaline finds harmony with the peaceful whispers of nature. Pokhara Valley, a haven for both thrill-seekers and peace lovers alike. Next, we venture into the heart of Nepal, the historic Kathmandu Valley. Nestled in the lap of towering mountains, Kathmandu Valley is a living museum, where the past is not just preserved but lived each day. This vibrant valley is home to 7 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, each bearing testimony to Nepal's rich cultural and historical heritage. Among these sites, the Pashupatinath Temple, a sacred Hindu shrine, stands out. Revered by Hindus worldwide, this temple is a stunning example of Nepalese pagoda architecture. Its golden spire and silver doors are a sight to behold, especially during the Maha Shivaratri festival when thousands of pilgrims gather to pay their respects. A short distance away lies the Bhaktapur Durbar Square, once the royal palace of the old Bhaktapur kingdom. Today it's a bustling plaza where the grandeur of yesteryears coexists with the bustle of everyday life. Its intricately carved wooden windows and massive stone statues provide a glimpse into the artistic brilliance of the Malla dynasty. Then there's the Swayambhunath Stupa, popularly known as the Monkey Temple for its resident primates. This Buddhist shrine offers panoramic views of the Kathmandu city. Its iconic white dome and gilded spire, adorned with the all-seeing eyes of Buddha, make it a visual delight. But Kathmandu Valley isn't just about ancient structures. The local markets like Asan Bazaar and Thamel are bustling hubs of activity. Here you can find everything from colorful pashminas and singing bowls to aromatic spices and handmade pottery. And let's not forget the local cuisine. From delectable momos and dalbat to the tangy achar, the food here is as diverse as the culture itself. Kathmandu Valley is a place where every corner has a story, every alley a history, and every stone a tale to tell. It's a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern lifestyle, creating a unique mosaic of culture and history. Kathmandu Valley, where history and modernity coexist in harmony. Our final stop is the wild and untamed Chitwan National Park. Imagine a world where the rustling leaves tell stories of the wild, where the roars echo through the dense forests, and where each footstep could lead to a new discovery. Welcome to the Chitwan National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that serves as a sanctuary for some of the world's most fascinating species. The park is a vibrant tapestry of diverse flora and fauna. From towering sal trees and sprawling grasslands to vibrant flowers that add splashes of color to the landscape, Chitwan is a botanist's dream. But the true stars of the show are the park's inhabitants. Here you might catch a glimpse of the elusive Royal Bengal tiger, a majestic creature that commands respect and awe. Its powerful physique and stealthy movements are a sight to behold, a testament to the raw beauty of nature's creations. Sharing this vast wilderness with the tiger is the one-horned rhinoceros, an endangered species that has found a safe haven in Chitwan. These gentle giants, with their ancient-looking armor and peaceful demeanor, are a living link to our planet's prehistoric past. For those seeking a thrill, the park offers jungle safaris that take you deep into the heart of the wilderness. As you traverse the rugged terrains, every turn unravels a new scene from nature's grand spectacle. It's a thrilling adventure that brings you face to face with the wild. And let's not forget the bird watchers. With over 500 species of birds, including the exotic Bengal florican and the great hornbill, Chitwan is a paradise for those who love to observe these winged wonders. But it's not just about the thrill and the spectacle. It's about the silence and the whispers, the secrets hidden in the undergrowth, the life and death drama that unfolds here every day. It's about understanding and respecting the delicate balance of nature. Chitwan National Park, a thrilling rendezvous with nature's wild side. And with that, we've unraveled just a fraction of the scenic wonders that Nepal has to offer. From the majestic peaks of the Himalayas, the enchanting beauty of the Pokhara Valley, the historic charm of the Kathmandu Valley, to the wild allure of the Chitwan National Park. Each place has its unique story to tell, a story that can only truly be appreciated when you immerse yourself in its essence. Every journey brings with it a new perspective, a new understanding of the world around us, and we hope that this journey through Nepal has inspired you to go out there and create your own stories, your own memories. Now, we're curious to know, which part of the world should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. And remember, if you enjoyed this journey, do like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us grow. Until next time, keep exploring.